How you doing, folks? My name is TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So you might be wondering, like, what to do when your manifestation is taking too long. Is there something that you've been wanting to manifest, but it just haven't arrived yet? And you wonder, like, what is this? Like, I know I'm doing everything right, but why is it taking so long? Is there anything that I could do to actually speed it up? Absolutely, okay? And if you stay tuned, at the end of the video, I have something that I want to promote to you, okay? This is something that you're gonna wanna know, okay? So stay tuned through the end of the video, okay? Anyway, so folks, if your manifestation is taking too long, that's probably due to the fact that you are thinking about it too much, okay? So you gotta keep in mind, folks, when you are putting your trust in the universe, which is way more intelligent than what we can ever imagine, okay? When you're putting your trust in the infinite intelligence of the universe, there is nothing else that you have to do, okay? That's it. You know, so many people get tied up in, like, how is it gonna come? You know, by what means or which avenue is it gonna come through? Like, when is it gonna come? How am I gonna get it? Folks, you're never gonna get the answer, okay? The best thing for you to do is to keep your vibration high. Keep your energy lit. Ain't that's what they say? Lit. I'm lit. Keep your energy lit. You have to be on fire for receiving anything that you want to manifest. Like, you have to feel so good that what you are speaking into the universe, that it will come to you. You have to feel so good that you know for a fact that you're gonna get the manifestation. Whatever you want to manifest, it will come to you if you know for a fact that it's rightfully yours already right now. And so being a life coach, you know, this is one of the biggest problems, you know, that I find that most people have. You know, most people say, you know, I want this or I'm going to get that, you know, but it's like they don't really 100% believe it, all because they can't see it. All right. Keep in mind, every object that exists except for nature came into existence because somebody first saw it in their imagination, and then they continuously believed in the thing that they seen in their imagination, and now, you know, there's a book, Tim Ferriss's book, okay? It's simple, all right? But you have to be on fire for whatever it is that you're manifesting by knowing that you're gonna do it. And I can guarantee you it's gonna come in divine timing. Folks, the universe does not have a strategic way to, like, do it a certain type of way of, like, how we think about doing things, you know, as individuals, as people. You know, the universe is just way more dynamic than we can even think, okay? So it's not that the manifestation is taking long. It's just that you have to have more patience. Sometimes when you want to manifest something really big, it takes a long time, you know, and depending on how big it is, it's basically like the time frame that the universe is, like, doing all these things behind the scene to, like, actually get it to you. But you have to continuously be happy. Like, even today, if your manifestation did not arrive, whatever you wanted to manifest, if it didn't arrive, you got to be confident. Even going into tomorrow, you got to be so happy. Oh, man, I cannot wait. Like, I cannot wait. You got to be celebrating already. You know what I mean? I'm so happy. I know I'm going. I know I'm going. I know I'm going, man. Like, I really feel like I'm going, you know, and you probably ain't even went yet. But you got to feel that way. You have to feel that way all the time. And so this is why your manifestation could be taking too long, you know. So speak up, let your voice be heard, folks, and say, it's on its way, okay? Comment below and just say, it's on its way. It will arrive. You know, your manifestation is near, okay? But the determining factor is how you feel right now. It's all about your emotions, man. It's all about feeling, man. It's all about feeling, you know. If you can control your emotions, you know, if you can control your emotions every hour of the day and stay in the most highest vibrational frequency, just knowing that whatever is taking too long, whatever you want to manifest, just knowing that it's gonna come. If you think that it's taking too long, guess what? You're prolonging it, and it's gonna take even longer. But you have to start thinking, man, it's coming fast, man. Like, it's coming fast. I know it. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones, man. This manifestation is coming to me Trust me, it's gonna be. It might be here tomorrow. You know what I mean? It might be here Thursday, man. But I just know it's coming fast. See, the universe gives you a reflection of how you feel and what you think. So if you're thinking that it's taking too long, it's gonna take too long. If you're saying, why is it taking too long? It's gonna take too long. You know, everything that you're experiencing is just a reflection of how you feel about something that you might want to manifest or whatever you want to attract. Okay? You get a reflection back to you of how you feel about even manifesting things. However you believe that the speed of law of attraction works, that's the speed of the law of attraction works. I know some people whose willpower is so strong that they can shift the universe to like work instantly. I do it all the time from time to time with some things that I manifest into my life. Like I can speak things, and you probably can relate to this because I'm pretty sure you be doing it too. But like, how many of you like actually have spoken something and then it happened like 30 minutes later? Give this video a thumbs up if you can relate to that. Like you know, if you have a strong willpower, like you can speak some things, man, and it'll happen just like that. Just like, even sometimes I've noticed that I'm on cue with things that I manifest. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I say bike, instantly I seen a guy riding down the street on a bike. I just really manifested just seeing a bike because I said bike. You know what I mean? That's because you stay in a high vibration. You got to be in a high vibration to really like to make that happen. You know what I mean? But most of the time, you know, so many people are thinking like, oh man, it's taking too long. And then you know what type of feeling that is? That's a feeling of doubt. You know, that's a feeling of worry. That's a feeling of uncertainty. That's a feeling of just you don't really think that the universe is doing its job. Like that is also a form of fear because you fear something not being not attracting to you. Okay, all of that is low energy. So what it is doing and it's repelling things away from you. Okay, because you're not trusting that everything that you want is already yours. You see what I'm saying? You have to know that it's yours. You know, you have to already feel good, man. You know, you have to feel great about everything that you want to law of attract into your life. And that's the determining factor of how fast it's going to come, okay? Based on your level of vibration, your feelings, your happiness, you know, I know it's coming, you know, then that's when the thing will come in divine timing. When you least expect it, it's going to surprise you, you know. Anything that's a surprise, don't you notice? Like, it always comes when you're not even thinking about it. Don't you notice how things manifest? It's like you always get what you want when you're not like dwelling on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's really real like that. So that's it, folks. Oh yeah. So I wanted to tell you this, folks. I know a lot of people, man, that I've talked to and I put them in a vortex of fast manifestation process, 7-day program, folks. If you are interested in like me helping you vortex manifest, get in contact with me. Send me an email today. My email is at the very top of the comment section. Don't forget, okay? I'm looking forward to talking to you. In the meantime, make sure you check out this video right here. But before you do that, subscribe by hitting my face icon up there. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be updated when I upload new videos every single day. All right? Now, check this video out. Oh, and send me an email too if you want to get into the vortex. All right? See you in the next video. Peace.